Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Age of Tomorrow. When Earth falls under attack from invisible aliens, no military unit in the world is able to beat them. Major William Cage, an officer who has never seen combat, is assigned to a suicide mission. Killed within moments, Cage finds himself thrown into a time loop in which he relives the same brutal fight and his death over and over again. However, Cage's fighting skills improve with each encore, bringing him and a comrade Emily Blunt ever closer to defeating the aliens.
Timeline. Project Almanac. A group of teens discover secret plans of a time machine and construct one. However, things start to get out of control.
They missed. After a powerful storm damages their main home, David Drayton, Thomas Jane, and his young son head into town to gather food and supplies. Soon afterward, a thick fog rolls in and engulfs the town, trapping the Draytons and others in the grocery store. Terror mounts as deadly creatures reveal themselves outside, but that may be nothing compared to the threat within, where a zealot, Marcia Gay Harden, calls for a sacrifice.
As above, so below. When a team of explorers ventures into the catacombs that lie beneath the streets of Paris, they uncover the dark secret that lies within the city of the dead. Blacia. Against the sun. Into the storm.
The Maze Runner. Thomas, a teenager, arrives in a glade at the center of a giant labyrinth. Like the other youth dumped there before him, he has no memory of his previous life. Thomas quickly becomes part of the group and soon after demonstrates a unique perspective that scores him as promotion or honor status. Those who patrol the always changing maze to find an escape route. Together with Tessa, the only female, Thomas tries to convince his cohorts that he knows a way out.
Transcendence. Two leading computer scientists work toward their goal of technological singularity, as a radical anti-technology organization fights to prevent them from creating a world where computers can transcend the abilities of the human brain. RoboCop.
Lucy. Lucy is a young woman, accidentally caught in a dark deal, who turned the tables on her captors and transformed into a merciless warrior, evolves beyond human logic.
Noah.
Real Steel. Charlie Kenton used to be a prize fighter, but lost his change to win a title with heavy, towering robots to cover the boxing ring. Now working as small-time promoter, Charlie pieces together scrap metal into low-end highters, barely earning enough to make it from one underground venue to the next. After hitting rock bottom, Charlie reluctantly teams with his estranged son, Max, to build and train a championship robot for a last shot at redemption. The Revenant. While exploring the uncharted wilderness in 1823, frontierman Hugh Glass sustains life-threatening injuries from a brutal bear attack. When a member of his hurting team kills his young son and leaves him for dead, Glass must utilize his survival skills to find a way back to civilization. Grief-stricken and filled by vengeance, the legendary fur trapper treks through the snowy terrain to track down the man who betrayed him.
San Andreas.
Tell us in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions you might have. Thanks and see you soon!